Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition, Practice With Me. We're still working in the Rubank Elementary Method for flute or piccolo, and today we're on lesson 15. Alright, so there's no review on the top like there normally is, so we're just gonna get right into it. So first, looking at our key signature. What key signature is this? Key of D. What sharps are in the key of D? We have F sharp and C sharp. Great job. What time signature are we in? 3/4. So we have 3 beats to our measure with the quarter note getting the beat. All right, and this is a rhythmic study. So just looking at it, we have just a few different rhythms going on. I see some ties. I don't see any slurs though, just ties. And if you don't remember from our previous lesson, the tie is where we don't tongue in between and the note remains the same. So in looking at like our last 2 measures, you have the dotted half note, which is worth all 3 beats, and then it ties into a quarter note. So you're just gonna hold that note out for 4 beats. All right, let's just give this a shot and remember it's F sharp and C sharp. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job. How did you do? Did you remember the C sharp? How about F sharp? This exercise wasn't too bad, right? If you had any problems, let me know in the comments and we'll go over it more in depth. All right, let's do it again though. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. Still hanging in there? I took that one a little bit faster. All right, let's do it one more time though. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job. Still doing okay? If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. All right, let's move on to exercise number 2 though. All right, looking at our key signature, it remains the same. So the key of D, we're still gonna play with F sharp and C sharp. It's nice when the keys remain the same so we don't have to really think as hard about it. All right, but our time signature now changes. What is our time signature now? 4/4. So now we have 4 beats to the measure. Great. And this is still a form of rhythm study. So we have a lot of dotted quarters going into 8ths. So we'll just need to kind of pay attention to that. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How'd you do on that one? That one really feels rhythmically a lot more than the other one. The other one was pretty simple. You know, this one's da 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 da. You know, a little bit more rhythmic. All right, and are you still remembering to play F sharp and C sharp? All right, let's play it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. How'd you do that time? Once again, I took it a little bit faster. All right, let's do it one more time, and I'm still gonna take it a little bit faster. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right, let's move on to our exercise number 3. So we're still in the same key signature. Once again, very helpful. So F sharp and C sharp. And we're still in 4/4 for time. Now we're being introduced to the staccato. Now the staccato is short. So we know these are all 8th notes, which is usually ta 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 ta. But now we're gonna wanna shorten them up a little bit. Ta 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 ta. You hear how it's shorter? So that's what we're gonna wanna do, is make the staccato notes shorter, which looks like in our exercise is pretty well everything. Well, almost everything. So when you look at like the end of measure 2, you have that line that goes straight across. That is a tenuto. Tenuto means to play that note in full. So we're gonna play that note, that quarter note, for a full whole beat. All right, if you want to learn more about the articulations, you can check out our theory lesson here. All right, but for now, let's just try to play this thing. All right, we'll take it slow since there's 8th notes, and we have staccatos now. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, how did you do? The counting gets kind of tricky with staccatos, doesn't it? Because you feel like you want to rush. I feel like that, and with it being all eighth notes, it was a little hard for me to keep my count. How did you do? All right, let's do it again. I do better when we go faster. So I'm gonna take this a little bit faster. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. How'd you do? Did you feel better about it if we're going faster? Or did you feel better about it when we were slower? Let me know. All right, let's do it one more time. I'm still going to take it a little bit faster. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, how'd you do? Excellent work. All right, let's take a look at our exercise number 4 now, the D major chord study. Great, I know I stress all the time about the chords. They're important. All right, anyway, so looking at our key signature, we're still in the key of D, so we still have F sharp and C sharp. Makes it easier. All right, but now our time signature is going back to 3/4, so 3 beats in our measure. All right. This shouldn't be too hard. It's like, all right, let's just give this a try. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. All right, so the way this is put together is this is a chord study, so it's not necessarily the major scale itself, but this is a chord study. So what is seen in the first measures, or per measure, is what notes can be put with what chord. So when you have a D chord, you can have D, F, and A. That's kind of just your standard basic triad. We'll get into chords later on, but these are just important to kind of know where they are and who it goes with. All right, let's play it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. Are you still remembering to play F sharp and C sharp? This is kind of a newer key signature for us, so if you're missing some of those, don't be scared to mark it in with your pencil, circling the note, writing in a sharp, circling the key signature, whichever will help you most. Remember that it's F sharp and C sharp. All right, let's do it one last time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. job. We made it through today's lesson. All right, if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. But until then, I am proud of you for being here with me today. All right, keep up the great work, and I will see you next time.